Okay, he might know him. Hey, you know, Suk Mike.
Yeah.
Suk Mike, you know. Suk Mike, he on my line.
But who is Suk Mike? Where he be at?
I don't know where he be at. He been on my look. He just sent some more. Look.
God damn, what's wrong with
I don't know, man. I don't know. Do you know him? You say you know him? Suk Mike. His name, I don't know how to
Give me
spell
real
it.
name.
That's an SUK Mike.
What?
Yeah. I think you know him, fool.
I might know it. Look it up.
Hey, he said he might know you, bro. He might know you. What's up with it? Yo, what's up with it? Yo.
I don't know him, man.
Suk Mike. Hey, bro. He probably know you. What he say? He know you, though.
Yeah, you gotta know. I gotta know him. He knows me. I know him.
Find him with the last name here, man. It ain't Laces.
I don't know. He talking about it's hot. That nigga. Well, he said he know you.
You ain't from Dallas?
I told him that you know him, but hey, yo, he ain't tell me where. He ain't even tell me where you from, bro. I mean, I ain't asking where he know you from.
No, he keep paying. Let him keep paying. Goddamn.
Yeah.
That's what that is.
But who is Suk Mike?
Hey, he said he know. I'm trying to figure out who he is.
I don't know him, man.
You know him, cause he said he know. He see you on the video.
You killing us, fool.
I don't even know.
Hey, man.
Man, I don't know. He told me, look. He said he knows me real well. They hang out a lot. He do know you, boo. Hey, he said he know you real good. So I know he see you now on the thing.
Man, you know I know a lot of motherfuckers though.
Yeah?
I know a lot of motherfuckers, but I show.
It's Suk Mike, you know him. He say he know you. He say he know you. He say Suk Mike.
I don't know the motherfucking Suk.
I don't even know his fucking
Twitch?
I think he on Twitch.
I don't know it. I ain't got a Twitch. People be telling
look,
me.
He said that's him.
Hey, put your IG on there, Suk Mike.
Yeah. Hey, he said you know him. He said you know him real well. That's what he just said. Yeah. He said he know you.
Hey, maybe my motherfucking nephew, man. I got a nephew named Mike.
Oh, well, yeah, it might be. I don't know. I'm finna see if he on here because he said he knew. There you go right there. He said that was the best entertainment all night. You don't know him?
Go to his IG.
Let me see. I need to see. I don't know.
Why said he on his bed though?
I don't know. That's him. Yeah.
Tell him to message me.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell. Hey, message him, cause he.
Man, you know I know a lot of motherfuckers though.
Yeah.
I know a lot of motherfuckers, but
Yeah. You know him?
Super Mike.
Suk Mike.
But who is Suk Mike?
I don't know, bro. He's saying he know you, boo. That's what I'm saying.
Tell that nigga to text me. Toilet block, bitch. I ain't never. Bitch, you know me from the block, nigga. But I know motherfucking toilet block.
Talking about he know everybody.
You're regular nigga.
Oh, he talking about he know you real well. Look. Yeah, look. Oh, damn. From the toilet block. Who? Suk Mike. You know him?
Suk Mike.
Yeah. Man.
Tell him we in Florida, man. We down with
we
Mickey
in Florida,
Mouse.
man.
We down here with Mickey Mouse, man.
Yeah. He say he know you. Let me see.
He know who, Jay?
So who is it?
It's Suk Mike. I ain't bullshit.
That's how you know that motherfucker don't know me, nigga. I don't be on the block, bitch.
That's him. Yeah, I don't know. Hey, bro, he know that. He knows from the toilet block. Mike, you don't know? Man,
He just gave you some.
man, I ain't. Yeah, he didn't get. I'm talking. He done sent like $30 or $40 like 6 times.
Damn.
Oh, he talking about he seen y'all chilling. Where you seeing him at, Doug? Oh, he say, yeah. Look, he say that's him. Look, that's him. He say he know them both. Look, he know you too, Joel.
You don't know me?
Look, I know both. He said they used to race together.
He ain't talking about me.
What he is, bro? He said he know him. He know him. He said that. Yeah, he know. I'm waiting on to send him the Instagram right now. He said you know his Insta. Look. He gonna look it up right now. He looking it up. What's your Instagram? He trying to get your Instagram so he can make sure he know you.
Look, hey, this is my IG.
Is Suk Mike. That's him, bro. He got a lot of followers. Why you ain't shouting me out all them goddamn followers, man? What the fuck, man?
No, that's somebody else. That's not Suk Mike.
Nigga, that was him.
No.
That was it.
No, hold on.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out.
I still don't know that. I went on and asked my son. He was watching your feed, right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
so he heard. He said, who that? Who that? y'all
Suk
talking?"
Mike.
So I said, man, I don't know. I asked him what that is, cuz I had a football organization for a lot of years. I know a lot of motherfuckers I coach.
Yeah. And your son, he say he don't know him either.
I don't even know. I have him. I didn't know the real name nowhere.
Yeah,
I didn't give him a name. Shit.
Yeah.
I been giving some fucked up names, you know, man.
Yeah.
I had a little kid.
Yeah.
I called him motherfucker Stump. Something wide. He about to try. He used to always be on my elbow all the time.
Yeah.
Trying to get some playing time.
No, you probably gave him the name or something like you said.
I remember
You said you be giving people names and shit.
I remember some shit. Man, that's some made up shit.
Man.
That ain't nobody. That ain't nobody.
All you gotta do is subscribe. Look out racing, baby.
Always look out racing.